I've seen enough things to lose hope. And here I am still going. I am even stronger now. Evil is lurking around you. And maybe I'm mistaken. You know I'm feeling alright. Like something on my face, something in my brain. Still hurts. And I don't know what it takes, don't know what it takes to move on. The more that I've done, the less I become. I just live forever within our souls. So do it I know, and life will go on. And then we'll become just nothing at all. Just nothing, just nothing, just nothing, just nothing at all, nothing at all, nothing at all, nothing at all. And then we'll become just nothing at all. You've seen all the